Alright, so I'm going to show you guys my redneck laptop hard drive connector. I got all the wiring diagram off of Vogons by a person by the name of Thermalwrong. Had done the same thing with his compact Armada 7350 laptop that also lacked the hard drive caddy. Well, mine didn't even like the hard drive caddy. Apparently I tossed it out and I can't figure where the heck I put it at the moment. So for now, if I'm able to find it, I'm going to take this hot mess out of here and just put this thing in. But for now, I'm going to show you guys what it does. First, I have to go into the BIOS. Yep. And make sure that the drive is still detected. Yep, okay, so it is detected. That's good. So it's still detected. Save the settings. And watch her boot. I don't have a floppy drive installed at the moment, so I'm going to go do that once I'm done fixing this. I have to edit the configuration file here because I'll need the drivers for the network card. Jesus Christ. For the other thing at the moment. Well, of course I don't need that anymore because I actually got this thing working. Not sure how, but like I said, thanks to the brilliant person by the name of Thermalwrong Vogons for putting this out. And he also showed the diagram for it as well. So let's go ahead and save that. Open the MS-DOS .sys file. Okay, yep, that's good. But let's go ahead and reboot. See if we can actually get Windows to actually boot this time. Because it was not even booting at all when I tried it out. So we're going to say the same thing here. Registry not found. Yep. XMS cache problem. Registry service may be inoperative this session. Yep. We gotta go reinstall the operating system. But on the plus side, it boots. So the next thing is to redo the Microsoft Windows operating system. Let's see if I go to Windows. Let's see if I can do the setup program on here. I'm not sure if it is on here. It is not. 95A. Enter. Oops. Hang on. I have to copy the config file first. And the auto exec file. Auto exec. Auto X. Of course, if I actually typed the letter C, there we go. Okay, C W I5. Oops, I5A. Enter. Setup. But yeah, it is working. So I'm happy. Now I just have to turn the computer off. Put everything back together, all the screws. And the floppy drive first, obviously. And go from there. Anyway, yeah, this is just too perfect. It's just funny. I've never done anything like this, I'll be honest with you. This is actually the first time I've ever done this. So as I'm gonna go drink a beer. Just kidding, I can't drink. I'm on the clock. Anyways, I'm gonna go put this thing back together. First and foremost, I have to put the 5-page drive back in. So I have to disconnect the power for a moment. And then unscrew the support screws for this thing. Well, of course, I have to take the keyboard out. And then install the 5-page. Of course, I have to take the memory card out. Yeah, I might be able, yeah, because I have to remove these screws here. That one screw never gets out. Okay, now I'm trying to figure out where the heck I put my other small screw, or elongated screw at. The one that looks like this. Oh, yeah, take the battery out. Alright, I got this system button back up again. It still boots. And right now I'm going to be reinstalling Windows 95. If I can get the freaking mouse to cooperate, there we go. But, I don't know. It's working, so can't complain. Boot sector virusing. I hate that. No, I do not want to continue. Oops. I forgot to turn that boot sector virusing off. I turn off simultaneously. Switches the panel. Save. Well, that's all for now. That's what it looks like. It's temporary. I'm going to be 3D printing another bracket thing that looks like this. Except have it stick out a little bit so we can insert and remove the compact. Oops. See what happens when I put this one in the slave one. See if it gets detected. Apparently it doesn't like it when you have two or more than 2 drives installed. But plus side I do, and the plus side it's booting, so that's what counts. Even if I can't hook up another hard drive to it, well, I can theoretically put my PCMCIA card in there. But unfortunately, I need the wiggle room for 2 cards. The GamePort card and the network card. So in case I ever do DOS gaming with my dad or something, then it's going to be a challenge. I'll put the berry right here. To put some tape on there, but it's working. And I'm happy.